Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Many people suffer from migraine headaches. I have two videos regarding migraine relief and prevention. This is the first one. In this video, I will show you 3 acupressure points for migraine relief and prevention, and how to apply various helpful techniques. The best medicine is in our body. Let's tap into it. The main point we're going to learn is the 甩骨 point, or the leading valley when translated into English. It is also known as the gallbladder 8. The leading valley point, the 甩骨, lies in the temple region in the slight depression about 1/2 cun, or the width of your middle plus index fingers, directly above the apex, or the tip of the ear. 甩骨 treats migraine, vertigo, and nausea. The supplemental point is the 丝竹空, the silk bamboo hollow in English. The triple warmer meridian ends at this point, so it is also known as the TH23. It is in a depression at the lateral end of the eyebrow. A classic and well-known treatment for migraine in traditional Chinese medicine is to use a very long acupuncture needle to treat these 2 points at the same time. However, for self-care relief, this is what we can do at home. Place your thumb at the 甩骨 point and the index finger over the 丝竹空, the silk bamboo hollow point. Apply acupressure. The right level of the pressure is that the spots underneath your fingers should feel sore. Hold the pressure for 10 seconds, then release. Do this repeatedly for about 10 minutes, and do it 3 to 5 times a day. You can also apply circular motion. Use the pad of your fingers while applying pressure over the point. Massage in a circular motion clockwise for 2 to 3 minutes. Then counterclockwise for 2 to 3 minutes. Do this about 10 minutes. Do it for 3 to 5 times a day. If you are in the middle of a migraine attack, grab and hold onto a strand of your hair around the leading valley point, over the tender spot. Tuck the chin slightly and mouth open, and get ready. With each outgoing breath, begin to pull the hair firmly as you clench your teeth together. Remember, keep the chin tucked. Keep pushing the crown of your head up. This is very important in this technique. Bite with slight pressure to begin with, and then increase the force. The movement of the jaw and the biting creates a gentle vibration in the head that stimulates the qi flow. The pulling of the hair helps get the circulation into the hair roots. You only need to do this for 30 seconds to a minute. You will start to feel the hair roots become nice and warm as the circulation floods back into the area. Then continue without involving your teeth, but gently pull the hair roots for about 3 minutes, and your headache should slowly become less and less. Next, we will massage the 合谷 point, the united valley point. It is a master point in pain reduction. 合谷 is in the web area between the thumb and index finger. Massage the 合谷 strongly influence the qi flow in the upper body, especially for qi going up towards the head. Women who are pregnant should avoid working with this point. Massage the hergu point for a couple of minutes on the left side, then switch to the right side. In traditional Chinese medicine self-care technique, we always start from the left. And because the left side, that's the direction of the body growth and nourishment. Here's a self-care practice I have been doing, which I found it is extremely helpful, so I would like to share it with you. I use a comb. I recommend a comb that is not flimsy. A wooden comb will work. Mine's made from ox horn. I comb the lateral side of the head. We will be doing both sides, but we always start with the left. Use your hand to guide the comb zigzag slowly through the side of the head. Sometimes you will feel the tender spot or a small area where tension is building underneath the skull. That area will feel bumpy. Use the comb to make it smooth. Once again, this helps to clear minor blockages so that qi can flow better. The area will feel nice and warm as blood circulation gets better. Then I will place the comb underneath my head over the wind mention and the wind pull points. Gently rock the head, the weight of the head against the back of the comb. That will help to stimulate these powerful points. In the second video for migraine, we will learn a lot more regarding the wind mention and wind pull points. I try to do this one time in the morning before I get off the bed, and once at night before I go to sleep. Do it for about 2 minutes on each area. After this routine, you will feel a sense of complete rejuvenation. Your head becomes clear, and your heart will be calm and relaxed. This helps to prevent a bad headache from building up, or at least to minimize the severity when or if it comes. I think it helps me to sleep better too. There are many types of migraines. I hope you will be able to find some relief through the techniques we covered in this video. Stay tuned for the second video. It is based on a Taoist Qigong exercise that will help to reduce the frequency of the migraine headaches. Friends, these magic points are always there. They cost nothing, and there's no side effects. The best medicine is in our body. Let's use it. Please give these techniques a try and let me know how it went for you. And please do share this video with a friend or a family member so we all can explore these holistic self-care techniques. If you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.